welcome back to another vlog. Today is Friday and we're going sa bundok. Doon sa kung nakapadaan kayo sa season, yung nakikita nyong bahay doon sa may bundok. Ganyan, na malaki. Doon kami pupunta kasi may camping ng YHH. So it's already 8. Mag-start ng 8 ang program. So I'm gonna go there. I'll just bring the old yoga mat and yung at saka yung yung blanket, ganyan, para may maupuan kami kasi sa ground lang kami uupo for the worship. And then yeah, I'm gonna get the flashlight pa pala. I have 2 flashlights and ito sarong ko. Bebe, hindi ka nasama? No, she's not coming kasi madaming lamo. YHH retreat here in Barangay Sagunto. So, nasa hilltop kami. Yung bahay na nakikita nyo pag nasa kalsada kayo. Pag nandito kayo sa season yun, nandito kami. Yung malaking bahay. So, currently, we are in a spot na kaming dalawa lang kasi we have an activity. It's in Tagalog basin. So, what the activity is all about? May binigay sa akin na paper, may binigay din sa kanya na paper, and then may sasagutin kami doon na kunyari pag akong sumagot, he will just listen and then I will answer all the questions, like for example, favorite food, mga ganun, basta madami siyang category, and then he will just listen, and after ko na magsabi, he will summarize, and then he will do the same na nag-answer din siya, and then I will summarize. So the purpose of the activity is just for you to learn how to listen. Yan. So, nasa iba't ibang spot ang mga members ng group namin, ng singing group namin. So, tapos later on, magpa-facilitate ako. We have an activity later on. So, yung pa-facilitate ko. Then afterwards, I will go home. I can't camp out here. Kasi may duty ako for tomorrow sa hospital. It's a good thing na malapit lang tong place sa hospital kasi I can just come anytime. So yeah. Hey guys! Welcome back to another vlog. So I just got back home from my duty and I was planning to go to the mountain para to attend the retreat, but then yeah, I'm kinda tired right now. Kasi medyo nagka-toxican sa duty. So, I guess I'm gonna go there tonight. Or probably mag-edit na lang ako ng video and wash my clothes because I still have my duty tomorrow AM. So, yun lang. I'm sorry guys kung yung mga napansin nyo siguro for the past, 2 weeks akong hindi, early November, I didn't upload any video. Actually, I have a lot of vlogs, but I failed to upload them because of some reasons. We have a lot of reasons. I'll explain the reasons why, maybe in a separate vlog or video na lang. So let me know down below what are your questions para makapag Q&A tayo. Kung ano yung mga questions nyo related sa work, school, DIY makeup, whatever you want. And I will cover those questions in a separate video para mas maganda yung natin. So, ayun guys. Thank you so much for always watching and for always tuning in, for always watching for my videos. So, hey guys, may bago kaming member of the family. I will introduce you to Alpine! Hindi ko alam kung anong lahi nito eh. Half Japanese speech and hindi ko na alam. Basta siya si Alpine. Ginaya nila yung pangalan ng stuffed toy ni Baby Girls. Aso to ng girlfriend ni Tawen. So, say hi Alpine. Say, you're smelly. Tapos kahapon nagtae siya, dinala siya sa vet. Nakaswero siyang dumating. Kawawang Alpine. Look at you, baby. Say hi, Alpine. You're smelly. Hindi ko kasi pwedeng liguan eh. Sige na.
Hi, everyone.
It's already 10:30 p.m. at anong gusto mo?
Yung pagkain.
Kasi? Gutom ka na naman.
Yeah.
Yeah. Lang batang laging gutom. Sige, punta tayo. Saan kayo tayo pupunta?
Doon sa kwarto mo.
Bakit? Anong meron sa kwarto ni tita?
Food.
Sige, let's go. Let's go. Sakay ka na sa likod ni tita. Let's go. Woo! 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 Yay, 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 yay.
Nang ba sa kwarto mo dito?
Get, doon daw sa supot na green, alam na alam niya. Nakahang itong ako. Yung lang naman to, biscuit lang naman. Ito lang guys, yung lobo. Ito, basta may makain lang siya na konti kasi lagi niyang sinasabing gutom siya kahit hindi siya gutom. Gusto niyang kumain. Ilan po gusto mo ate? Ito yung lobo kasi napaka-creamy nito. Kaya gusto. Ano kaya to? Ano kaya to ate?
Baby biscuit.
Oh, baby biscuit daw kasi maliliit. Tapos yung tawag niya sa cat, orange baby. Oh, ito na yung baby biscuit. Ilan ang gusto mo? Huwag mo get lahat. Para may food ulit tayo bukas. O, 2 lang ha. Kasi gabi na. Hindi ka na naman makatulog sa dami ng sugar ng kinakain mo. Dito na garad. Hindi ka na.
Bye, Tita Tracy. Bye!
Bye, Tita Tracy. Si Tita Tracy lang kilala mo?
Apa.
So, before I go to sleep, actually, kakatapos ko lang naglaba and then I ironed my uniform. So, nag-shower lang ako to be fresh. Tsaka, winash ko na yung hair ko para tomorrow I will not wash my hair anymore kasi AM shift ako. Ayoko nung, alam mo yun, yung basta yung buhok ko na papasok sa work. So, I already washed and conditioned my hair. So, tonight I'm going to put on a mask. Ito siya. This is the Avon Natural Soothing Mask in Chamomile. Kasi parang ang tagal-tagal ko nang hindi nag-mask. Tapos feeling ko ang dry na ng skin ko. So, I'm gonna put this one. So, yun guys, nakamask na ako para ma-moisturize yung skin ko and para mabawasan ang mga breakouts ko, especially now I'm on my period. That's why I have a lot of breakouts this past few days. And meron dito may 2 tumutubo, ang kabilaan talaga. Before I end my vlog, I want to do a shout out sa mga nag-comment sa video ko na paddle foundation brush. Ayan. Hello to Irene's Life Vlog. Hello, sis. And then to Princess Mayuga. Hello. And then to Joy and Go. Ayan. Chrisia Vlogs. Queen. And then kay Simply Jen. And then Fun Kids Play. Mga bata tong mga ata dito. Papanoorin ko yung channel nila. Kasi, syempre, may pamangkin din ako. And then, hi to sis Donna Sparks, ayan. And then, kay Itching Wanderlust. Ayan. And then, OMG, it's Eli's channel. Ayan. OMG, it's, hello, nag-subscribe ako sa you, sis. And then, kay sis Charmy Lagaso, na-miss ko na si sis. Kasi, ang tagal ko talagang hindi nakapanood ng mga vlogs, guys. Kasi, diba, tsaka ang tagal kong hindi nag-upload ng vlogs. Parang feeling nyo siguro, nag-upload ako ng vlogs. Pero early November, 2 weeks before November, daw ako nag-upload ng vlog. So, parang ang tagal-tagal na. And then, tambayan ni Chai. Then, kay Kuya Jovel Manabat. If you want to see a vlog, just like Casey Neistat, ayan,
Si Kuya Jovil, ganun siya mag-vlog. Ang galing, ang galing. So, head on to his channel, and then kay The Doors Falak, and then kay Navy Doc Wife, hello sis, and then kay Shy Smona. Ito yung notification squad ko dati, lagi. And then kay Gen TV, hello sis. Sana makapag-collab na tayo soon. Kasi andyan ka lang naman, malapit sa akin. And then kay Think Trends, ayun, sino pa ba? Wait lang, loading. And then kay Chris DC, hello sis. And then kay Pinay ako, minimalist styling, big dude, mild tumbongera, mga katumbongers. And then kay Katie Licious. So that's all the people na shoutout ko. Na-shoutout ko na pala. So I'll see you guys in my next video, and thank you so much for always watching and for always tuning in. If you have any question regarding our vlog or anything, please comment down below and I will make Q&A video for you guys. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!